Guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, let's learn how to solve Hibernate option missing in your power settings. So, for example, if I go to my Windows button here and I click on this off right here, I'm going to see that one button is missing, one option, that is the Hibernate option missing here in my Windows 11. So, let's learn how to get this problem solved. First off, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then the next thing to do is to click on your Windows icon. You can come in to type on this Windows icon. Then you search for Control Panel. So I go ahead and search for Control Panel, and you will find this app here. So you just have to run this Windows application, your Controls Panel. Then the next thing to do here is to click here and search for Power Options. So after typing power here, you actually see that my power option is showing at this area. Then the next thing to do is to click on this option that says change what closing the lid does. So change what closing the lid does. I'm going to type on this. Then after looking at this, you're going to see all these shutdown settings. So this is where you have to take this from. But if I tap on my Hibernate, you will see it is not working. So tapping on my Hibernate will not work. So the best way to make this stuff available to tap on is to scroll up and click on change settings that are currently unavailable. So I tap on this. Then once you do, you can see now you can actually edit and add Hibernate to it. So this other way you can untick anyone you don't want and you can tick the one you do. So after tapping on my Hibernate, I come over to save changes and I tap on that too. So after changing my save and whatever, I will come and check here. I click in here. Then to see if the problem is over, I tap on my off button. Yes, so right here you can see Hibernate option here. So this is how to edit and add any power option that's actually missing, especially the Hibernate or sleep in your Windows 11. It can also work for Windows 10 or any other version of Windows. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.